This is for many of us who are preparing for this second half of the year. As you start to evaluate some of the accomplishments and some of the losses and some of the wins over the course of the first half, I want to challenge you to look to the treasure that I call the uncompleted items around your work, your business, your life, as avenues that you can really pick back up as you get into the second half, right? There are lots of treasures buried in a lot of incompletes, a lot of treasure in the cabinet I call to be done. And so I want to charge you, for many of you who are asking the question, what should I start? What should I do? That's a good place to start. Look for those things that you wanted to do, ideas you thought you were going to pursue, the things, items you started but you have not finished. As you pick those up and actually start to walk through them in the second half, you're going to start to see some of the successes that you planned out and anticipated at the beginning of the year. I hope this was helpful. This is Leadership Conversations with Dr. Flo.